Hello friends, welcome back to Webronaq. Today we're going to understand a very simple but super useful operator in C programming, the add and assign operator, which looks like this, plus equals. If you're just starting out with C, this one is going to make your life a lot easier. So let me walk you through this small program that shows exactly how it works. All right, take a look at the code on your screen. This is a simple C file called addandassign.c. At the very top, we have #include stdio.h. This is the standard library that lets us use things like printf to show output on the screen. Now look at line 3. We have our main function, which is where every C program starts running. Inside it, we declare two variables, a equals 10 and b equals 5. Pretty simple, right? Next, in the first section, we're using the regular add operator, just the plus sign. We create a new variable called sum and store the result of a plus b inside it. Then we use printf to display the values of a, b, and the final sum on the screen. So this part is basically showing you the normal way of adding two numbers in C. Now, here comes the interesting part. Look at the second section, starting from line 12. This is where we use the add and assign operator, written as plus equals. We start with a variable c equal to 10, and we print its initial value. Then on line 17, you see this line, c plus equals 5. This is the magic of the plus equals operator. It's a shortcut. Instead of writing c equals c plus 5, you can simply write c plus equals 5, and it does the exact same thing. It takes the current value of c, adds 5 to it, and stores the new result back into c. So c becomes 15. Finally, we print the updated value of c to see the result. And that's it. The program ends with return 0. So in short, the plus equals operator is just a faster, cleaner way to add something to an existing variable without writing the variable name twice. Super handy when you're writing longer programs. Now let's run this code and see the actual output on the screen.
All right, here's the output of our program. Let me break it down for you. In the first part, under using plus operator, you can see a equals 10, b equals 5, and their sum equals 15. So the normal addition worked just like we expected. Now look at the second part, under using plus equals operator. The initial value of c was 10. Then, after we applied c plus equals 5, the value of c became 15. See how it automatically added 5 to the existing value of c and stored it back, all in one short line? So that's the beauty of the plus equals operator. It saves you time, makes your code cleaner, and does the job perfectly. And that's it for this video, friends. Now you know exactly how the add and assign operator works in C. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Webronaq for more simple coding tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.